Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any sales. Looks like today we're doing number 205. If we start with this box, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 8. We've got 1 and 8 here, so this is our 3. 1 here, so 8, 1. For this box now, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 9 covering here and a 9 covering here, so our 9 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. For this column now, we're missing a 1. For this box, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. No help here. 4, 6, 9. 6 here, so 4, 9, and no help here. 4, 6, 9. For this bottom row, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 8. 5 here, so 2, 8. And that means that our 5 has to be here. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got 2 and 4 here, so this is our 5. That 2 makes this our 4, 2, and that 2 makes this our 5. For this row now, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 2. 1 here, so 6, 1. For this box, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. That 8 makes this our 2, 8. For this column now, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got 1 and 3 here, so this is our 4. 1 here, so 3, 1. That 4 makes this our 9. We can get rid of this 9 and this 9. For this row now, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We got a 5 here and a 7 here, so this is our 2. 5 here, so 7, 5. For this box now, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 8. I don't see any other help. So 6, 9, 6, 9. For this column, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. For this row, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. For this box, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 4. 3 here, so 9, 3. That 9 makes this our 6, 9. That 6 makes this our 4, 6. For this row now, we're missing a 7. For this box, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. And for this box, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7 and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.